Sometimes all a homemaker needs is a little break, and today I found mine at the cinema. Hello, friends, welcome to my channel. It was a lazy Sunday, and honestly, I just needed a break. After a week full of housework and daily routine, I wanted to some peaceful time. So we decided let's go to the movie. We didn't make any big plans, just kept it simple, got ready quickly and left. My daughter was super excited. She loves dinosaurs. We watched Jurassic World Rebirth and it was a 3D movie. The dinosaurs looked so real. It felt like they were right in front of us. My daughter was thrilled, especially when the giant dinosaur jumped out of nowhere. We all full into the movie. It felt exciting, fun, and refreshing. After the movie, we decided not to rush home. We went out for dinner, something simple we all enjoyed. These small breaks recharge us more than we realize. If you are always busy like me, I hope you take a little pause too. Thank you for being part of my Sunday. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. See you soon.